The industrial site's demand for experts' knowledge, schematics, or user manuals, which have been difficult to get hold of. Creating XR content solves these problems since the required information is visually accessible right when you need it the most. You can import existing files such as 3D models and PowerPoints to quickly create immersive experiences without writing a single line of code. The content can be visualized through various devices depending on the nature of industrial environment. Also, write up a virtual report so the other team members can check them from their offices. If a problem requires a support from experts located in remote areas, bring the person to your immediate reality using Remote.
Shall we get started then?
It instantly translates up to 10 different languages, so you can communicate with people in the other side of the globe. Remote supports smartphone, glasses, 360-degree camera. Also, for the areas where it is dangerous to visit, you can send over drones and robots instead. The industrial site requires the highest level of security. The solution can be deployed in the secured network such as MDM, PLTE, and VPN. Maximize security further by camera control and limiting location access using GPS information. Extend your knowledge, experience, and reality.